Hey guys, do you want to recover all of your deleted photos on an Android phone? So I'm just going to tell you the exact way to do that. So just make sure to watch the full video to the very end and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all just simply open up your Play Store app, and then here search for an app called Disk Digger Recovery, and then install that first application called Disk Digger Photo Recovery. Just tap on install it. So once you get installed this application, what you all have to do is just simply open up that application, and then here you can see the option of search for lost photos. Just simply tap on that option, and then it will be search for all of your lost photos. You have to just wait for a scan. It will just take a while. You can see it's just scanning all of your lost photos. You can see the scan has been completed. Just simply tap on OK. So if you want to recover these all of your photos, what you all have to do is just simply tap on this checkbox and tap on the recover to recover your all of recently deleted photos. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below, and I will catch you in the next video. And make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel to don't miss the latest videos like this. Thanks guys.